Um, did you know that sesame oil can radically impact your culinary and wellness routine? It's more than just a kitchen staple. It's a supercharger for your health. It's rich in antioxidants and unsaturated fats. It's like liquid gold for the body. Um, let's talk about heart health, the often neglected cornerstone of overall wellness. Sesame oil contains monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats shown to reduce LDL cholesterol, the notorious bad cholesterol. Studies suggest using sesame oil can lower cholesterol by up to 20%. And who doesn't want healthy skin? Sesame oil is rich in zinc, which enhances skin elasticity and smoothness. It's a secret weapon against aging, reducing the appearance of fine lines by moisturizing and repairing the skin barrier effectively. Um, Inflammation is a silent agitator behind many ailments, thanks to sesamol and sesamin. Sesame oil tackles inflammation head on. It delivers natural anti-inflammatory properties, offering relief for those suffering from arthritis or skin conditions like eczema. Stress and insomnia are modern day plagues. Enter sesame oil, a natural remedy. The soothing aroma of this oil, laden with magnesium, can help facilitate better sleep. Massaging it into your scalp can transform your stressful evenings into restful nights. Cooking with sesame oil enhances the flavor of your meals without compromising health. Its high smoke point makes it ideal for stir frying or deep frying, preserving the structural integrity of nutrients. Plus, it adds a delicious, nutty taste to any dish. Weight management can be an uphill battle. Sesame oil might just tilt the odds in your favor. It's been shown to stimulate ketone production, helping the body burn fat more efficiently. This, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can aid significant weight loss. Hair care is another realm where sesame oil shines. Its nourishing properties soften hair texture and prevent split ends while promoting growth. Regularly massaging your scalp with sesame oil can lead to noticeably thicker and shinier hair over time. Let's delve into bone health, often overshadowed, but crucial as we age. Sesame oil is loaded with calcium, copper, and zinc key players, and bone density enhancement. So it's akin to bolstering your bones with a natural side effect free supplement. And immune support is paramount, especially nowadays. Sesame oil bolsters immunity thanks to its rich profile of essential nutrients. Its antioxidants play a protective role, safeguarding cells from damage and helping fend off common diseases. For oral health, oil pulling with sesame oil can be transformative. This age-old technique reduces bacterial growth, improves gum health, and even whitens teeth. It's a simple, low-cost dental care addition with promising results over time. As an inflammation-reducing powerhouse, sesame oil also benefits joint health. For those struggling with stiff joints or arthritis, applying a warm compress with sesame oil can ease discomfort while promoting increased mobility in the long term. So there you have it. A dozen reasons to incorporate sesame oil into your life. It's not just an oil, it's an ally, a versatile powerhouse that supports your journey toward holistic health. Try it and watch it work wonders.